Front. The front wheel well liners are made up of two pieces. The front piece has an 8mm bolt holding it to the lower tray, red arrow. Use an 8mm socket and remove this bolt. If you only want to remove the front section, it is held in place by a series of push-pull pins, red arrows, a 10mm plastic nuts, yellow arrows, and a plastic twist screw, green arrow. The push-pull pins can become brittle over time. If you want to reuse yours, try using a trim removal tool and gently prying out the pin part, red arrow. Once you have pried the pin section, yellow arrow, out from the base, red arrow, you can remove the base from the liner. Remove the nuts and unscrew the connector. You can remove the liner out of the front of the wheel well. The rear section of the front liner is held in place by a series of 10mm plastic nuts, red arrows, along with two push-pull pins, yellow arrows. Remove all of these before using the same procedure as the front piece. There are two 10mm nuts on the lower section of the liner that connect it to the underbody trays, red arrows. Remove these and then you can remove the liner from the well. Once the liner is removed, check the area behind it. There is a large cavity behind the rear front liner. Things tend to accumulate and/or live in there. Rear liners. The rear liner is a single piece. It, like the front, is held in place by a series of push-pull pins, yellow arrows, and 10mm plastic nuts, red arrows. Remove these using the same procedures as the front liners. There is a plastic piece affixed to the top of the rear liner, red arrow. Use care when removing this so you do not rip or tear it. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.